Welcome to another episode of the Discovering Jesus Adventure Series. This is day number 364. And Liam, glad to see you again. I see you have a shield and a spear. What are you hoping to do?
I want to fight some creepers, zombies, skeletons, and maybe even Enderman.
Oh, well, we try to avoid those around here.
Nah.
Those can be scary. Are you sure you want to do this? Are you like one of the world's best fighters?
Maybe.
Okay. Well, I'll tell you what.
Plus, avoiding mobs is boring.
Very true. I tell you what. I'll go ahead. Let's go ahead and read the Bible.
Okay.
And then I have a TNT launcher. And at nighttime, we can launch ourselves to a very hostile place. What do you think?
Okay.
Okay. Now be
Good to
careful. You keep hitting me. And I'm not a creeper, okay?
Yeah, you are.
I only have like 2 hearts left. Be nice. All right. We're on day number 364. Wow. We only got 3 left. Day 364. Jesus eats with his disciples. Oh, yeah. Because yesterday they were catching fish.
Right.
And they couldn't catch any. Jesus said to let your nets down on the right side of the boat. Then they started catching some.
Which performed a miracle.
Yes. Okay. John chapter 20, verses 9 through 14. Here's our reflect. What question were the disciples afraid to ask? No idea. Do you have any idea?
We can figure it out in the story.
Yeah. I guess we'll have to find out. Okay, here we go. I'll start us off. When they got there, they found breakfast waiting for them, fish cooking over a charcoal fire, and some bread. Wait a minute. Where did Jesus get the fish from?
His disciples. His disciples gave it to them.
But
I guess.
they were catching the fish. He already had fish. Remember? Because the boat is still like 100 yards out. That's crazy. Where did Jesus get the fish? Nobody knows. Can you read this part?
Bring some of the fish you've just caught, Jesus said. So Simon Peter went aboard and dragged the net to the shore. There were 153 fish, large fish, and yet the net hadn't torn.
Wow, 153 fish. Have you been fishing very often?
No, I just got a fishing kit for my birthday.
Oh, that's nice.
But
how long do you think it'd take you to catch 153 fish?
3 years.
3 years. They did it in one night. That's crazy.
Right. That's more than the prophecies Jesus did.
Oh, wow. Yeah. What if they were the exact same number? That would be cool. Now come and have some breakfast, Jesus said. None of the disciples dared to ask him, "Who are you?" Oh, that was a question that they were afraid to ask. They knew it was the Lord. Then Jesus served them the bread and the fish.
This was the 3rd time Jesus had appeared to his disciples since he had been raised from the dead.
Wow, that's amazing. Okay, well, here's our praise. Jesus, you provide for our needs. Yes, he does. If you'd like to praise Jesus with us, let's do it now. Ready, go. Jesus, you provide for our needs. So good.
All right, let's get back to the game.
Okay. All right, let me
so
put
that
this
I can
back.
fight some creepers.
Oh, it's already nighttime.
Yay.
You sure you want to do this?
Yeah.
Okay, do I get to use my diamond spear, or do I need to do wait, come back. Do I need to do a wooden one like you?
I'm the only one fighting.
Oh, what am I supposed to do?
You sit and watch.
Okay, well, you'll have to protect me then. Does that sound good?
And I'll prove to you that I am the greatest fighter in the world.
Okay, all right. Well, follow me then.
I know where the TNT launcher
Are
is.
you sure you're going to protect me okay?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Sure.
You're sure? Okay. And then I'm going to splash both of us with feather falling.
I'll press the button.
Push the button. You missed. Push the button. There it is. All right, here we go. Are you ready?
Yep.
We're going to go sailing in the sky. Oh, where'd you go? Oh, there you are.
Where do we go?
I'm below you. Are you sure this is a good idea?
Yeah.
Okay, all right, we'll go this
to
way
this
a little.
mountain.
What's that?
To this mountain.
This is a mountain? Okay, I'm coming with you. I'm below you. Wait, I'm falling. Uh-oh. Okay. All right. Are you sure?
Yeah,
You're
let's
gonna protect me, okay? It's
let's-
kind of scary.
Let's land on this.
I'm not gonna make it! Oh no! I didn't make it! Come off and protect me! Help! I'm down below! Help! Help! I'm by myself!
And I
Help!
just want to fight some creepers.
But they're down here! Jump off! Come down to where I am. I'm down below you. Ah!
Wait, I lost my feather falling.
What?
I lost my feather
Ah,
falling.
what? This is not how it's supposed
I'm
to go!
at 1.5
I'm down here!
hearts.
There's creepers down here!
I'm coming.
Oh no! Ah!
I'm at 1.5 hearts.
Okay, turn around. There's zombies behind you. They're coming at you. There's a creeper right there. Look out. No.
I'll make it, I guess.
Well, this didn't work out.
Alright.
I have nothing but my fists, by the way.
Yeah.
All right, so where are we going?
To the mountain, I
To
think.
the mountain. That's pretty dangerous. All right, here we go. We're going to see how good he does. He's off in the night all by himself looking for creepers. Here he goes, ladies and gentlemen. This is Liam, the expert fighter. So far, he can't find anything. There's no mobs. There's nobody here. Did you... Oh, I get it. They're all scared of you. Oh, it's a skeleton. There's a skeleton. Quick, get him. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him. Here, I'll punch him in the back.
I'll hit him with my sword.
Oh, no.
Like I have.
Oh, no.
Take my sword.
You left me out here all by myself.
Take my sword.
I got it, but what am I supposed to do? Liam,
Attack it.
Somebody help me.
I need feather falling.
Well, they're in the barrel.
I know, I found it.
There's a bunch of creepers out here. I'm
Fight
not
'em.
equipped for this. Ah! There's creepers everywhere. Ah! I'm not gonna survive. He's gonna blow. Okay, I'm safe. I gotta run. Ow, I got a half a heart. Somebody help me.
I'm launching. I'm
Help me.
launching.
Okay. I survived. I got half a heart. I got no food. I got bones, and I can't eat the bones. Okay, I'm coming towards you. Ah, creeper. Okay, wait. I'm coming towards you. I got an axe. Here, come here. I got an axe. Wait, there's a creeper chasing you. Okay, take the axe. Okay, take the axe. Careful, he's gonna blow. Oh, phew. Okay,
I'm still at full health.
that's good. All right. I got half a heart.
I think you might be healed if you stay hidden.
Okay, all right. I'm following you. Here he goes. He's gonna battle. Oh, that looked like
I'm
it was
at
painful.
2 hearts.
2 hearts. All right, here we
but
go.
I got some gunpowder. Wait, no, that's coal.
Okay. We gotta find a way to heal. He's up here. Get this guy. Get him. He's like right there. Get him.
It's almost dead.
Get him before it's daytime. Get him. You got this.
Yes.
Yeah. And one more skelly. He's over here. Yeah, get the skeleton. Last guy. It'll prove your worth if you can get him. He's a... Aww. Well, you did as best you could.
Yep.
All right, everybody.
Almost.
Thanks for reading the Bible with us. Be sure to read your Bible every single day.
I'm coming back.
All right, there he goes again. He wants more. All right, we'll see you all tomorrow.